Mario just pulled up to the house. We're about to install a AEM wideband gauge on his car. Got to get the S2000 out of the garage first. Very cold. Very cold. Popping mustache. I'm up here. Where's the mustache? Is that a weekend thing?
Some hot chicks on your boat in the middle of the night while drinking and smoking doobies, doing bong hits, whatever. Kind of like where the key is. Is that right there? Basically like this.
Yes.
So opposite to this gauge, symmetrical kind of.
Yeah, that would look great. This will be a lot of fun.
The first step to take out your center console is got to undo your shift ball or knob. Pop that out. Stick your finger here and pop that out. And this is all snapped too. What's that?
30 PS to the stuff like that.
So after you take this pocket out, got two screws right here. 1, 2. That tab broke, so I only got to take off one here. It's a 10mm socket or a Phillips. We'll use a Phillips right now.
Put it on first and then put the tape on. Maybe put it on behind it.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, that sounds better. I don't want to like scratch anything. Right?
So next, undo those two Phillips screws. Two snap clips you got to get off the front of the center console. That's right there. It's plastic. One on the other side. You got another plastic cap right here that you have to remove. Just tug on it. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, God. And then behind that is your last clip. Clip number 2 of 2. For the center console, and then it can be pulled out. Sound ugly on the camera.
Sounds ugly when you edit your own voice. I sound like a jamoke.
Now we can pull back.
Alright.
It's always a little difficult because you got two sensors on the inside. You also got to disconnect. You can't get them until you start tugging on it. Push your arm. This whole thing down is one. One and 2.
Goes. Yep. You just put that right in the back seat.
Yep.
Perfect.
That's a 12-volt outlet and a USB for your iPods and whatnot.
The lighter in your car.
It works.
You just look like a meth head.
Yes. My goal.
Your goal is to find this fucking grommet.
Can I give me that flashlight? It's on the roof.
For what? Here, you want to hang on to this? It's recording.
Alright. I think, now I'm not positive, it's been a little while since I looked under here. That is the sensor and grommet for the O2 sensor. I'm going to go under the car next to make sure it all lines up. That right there. And I'm pretty sure, knowing how I do things, I probably just cut it off on the other side because I didn't need to use it, so we'll see.
Right here.
Yeah, put yours on the forward end. 300 horsepower.
Yeah, that fucking Pep Boys flame right here. The windows are the best. This is it right here. Hey, I'm about to check out at Pep Boys. Wait, let me grab this real quick. Let me grab that real quick. Oh yeah. That thing's pimping.
Okay. Over a little bit.
Yeah, let me get that for you.
Not a lot, baby girl. Just a little bit. A little more. There you go.
Where's
Just drop it.
Cool, because I'm not fucking Hercules over here.
You're Hulk.
Yeah, I'm not.
So what's this do?
How secure is that thing, actually?
What? This?
Yeah.
This is from like 1940. Got it out of my grandparents' garage.
Yeah. I'm saying it doesn't look like it's very secure, though.
Hey, your attitude doesn't seem like it's very secure.
Check your privilege.
Yeah, we need to.
Yeah. Yes, perfect.
Hold on.
Stay right there.
Oh, shit.
What?
No, I'm just saying.
God, man.
Come on, Dad.
Yeah.
The secondary O2 sensor bung out. Ooh, wow. It's actually stayed in all this time. Oh, no. Yeah, so if I put the light on it, it's kind of blurring out in the camera, but yeah, that's it right there to the left of the hot spot of the light. 19.
Everything that goes to the back of the gauge? It's definitely more than enough. Cool.
Oh, it's pulled out, but on the bottom it's attached to something, I think. Yeah, I think it's just a clip that you gotta undo.
Or left turn,
Can't be too careful.
and the two wheels come off the ground.
Oh, Lord.
Hey,
How fast
stop
is that?
talking about like Final Destination scenarios while I'm under the car. I mean, here's a little. Got the O2 sensor bung taken out. Wideband sensor installed. Wired up through the little grommet here. Broke my middle finger in the process, but it's worth it.
There's the inside of it. Gotta cut the grommet.
It's perfect.
Looks like it's going where you want it, Dad. So we just crimped this. This is the power side. We're going to tap it into an open fuse spot. This is the ground. We're going to find this to a chassis ground. What you can do is plug this in, and then you'll know if it's grounding right if your device turns on. Got to attach it to a switched source. So I think it might be fuse 7, 8, or 9.
Get some light in there.
Yeah. What do they say they are? 22 open. So let's go see if it's switched or not. It's probably in the spot number 22. My ground that I just used for my other project, which was hardwiring my radar detector, is right back there. I can't even see it right now.
Sorry.
And you're going to ground that where?
It's the same spot that I grounded the other one. It's a screw that's attached to a piece of metal that braces this. Can you turn the key in? Yeah.
Yep. There you go.
Oh, it's gonna do
Says
start
poo.
up.
That's the normal. Now 14.7.
Perfect.
Yep.
All right. So I'm gonna ground it to there, same spot as the other one. Yeah. Thank you, Dave. You're awesome.
Oh.
So just there's this screw right here. I tapped my radar detector there for the hardwired, and I also tapping the wideband's really low current, so it should be fine. low ampere coin.
We're taking that out.
Alright, so we got the power wired up as we showed you earlier. The ground is grounded. Got it routed right through the plastic. Straightforward and simple. This is the excess wire. We coiled it up and zip tied it. Shoved it right there. There's a connection that goes to the grommet. About to put this center console back in. Same order as removal, but to put it back in, and that's about it. So, install is done. Basically, the last thing you do is put the double-sided tape on the top of this little gauge pod and drill a little hole in the plastic so you can pass the wires through. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Center console back in. Same order as removal, but to put it back in, and that's about it. Dave's S2000. Thanks to Dave, I was able to use his garage and he helped me get this done. I like it. It's a very nice spot.
It's pretty awesome.